Now that fall has arrived, we all begin to anticipate the changes that are coming. Changing leaves, the cooler temperatures, and a whole new wardrobe to go with them. For many people, the first time they use their fireplace each year is an important milestone on that path, but before you get too excited, you should know that this is not the most efficient way to heat your home. The radiant heat most fireplaces supply usually covers one room at best. Plus, traditional wood-burning fireplaces create a convection current that actually pulls the warm air out of the house and right up the chimney. Now, I'm not suggesting that you brick up your fireplace, just that you recognize it for what it is and make it as efficient as possible. If you have a wood burner, be sure to have a pro inspect the firebox, damper, and chimney. They may be able to suggest a few improvements like adding glass doors to block drafts or a gas insert to improve the performance of your fireplace. Now, a direct vent fireplace like this one is sealed off from the living space, so it gets its air for combustion from the outside. Some models even include blowers that circulate air around the firebox and exhaust that heated air into the room to increase their efficiency. Believe me, once you know your fireplace is as efficient as it can be, it's easier to sit back and enjoy it while the temperatures drop outside.